Ni moja kati ya wasanii tajika na maarufu sana kutokea katika sehemu za Ukambani. Ameimba nyimbo kwa muda mrefu akiwatumbuisha wengi ikiwemo ni mashabiki wake wa kutokea katika sehemu ya Ukambani. Ila leo mashabiki wake wameachwa kuomboleza baada ya kifo chake ambacho kimetokea siku ya leo. A dark cloud hangs over Kenya's music scene following the death of yet another renowned Kamba musician known as Nelson Musimi, popularly to many as Mbou Masaa. Mbou Masaa is one of the many Kamba artists who are known. Kamba music and Mugithi music are one of the most popular local genre music that we listen to in this country. Now, Mbou Masaa is an artist that has made popular hit songs including Nyaika Hapa Somea Boss na Alamo Yi Gitaa Sia Kadhambi, among many songs that these alleged artists have sung. Yeah, he also has released some few collabos with great artists from Ukambani, including Kativoi himself. Kativoi is a legend when it comes to the Kamba music. As of right now, these are news that are breaking the internet. The Benga musician died on Thursday morning at a local hospital where he was admitted following a short illness. Multiple sources indicate that the family had started an online fundraiser which was to go towards his medical bill. Masaa's death sparked an outpouring of grief from music industry stakeholders and his fans. Many have eulogized Masaa as a talented musician who kept Benga genre alive in the face of a fast-changing musical landscape in the Ukambani region. He has also been hailed as a legend and an inspiration to many. We send our heartfelt condolences to the family and friends of the departed. We wish them strength during this trying period. Masaa's demise is a huge blow to the Kamba music industry at large. He is gone, and what we can do is only pray to God that He rest his soul in eternal peace. For now, that's what's up. Go ahead and subscribe. See you in the next video. This is FM Show KE.